last class we had discussed about how nationalism growth in India and how they took INC as a leadership and how they involved peoples in the movement of freedom. So these are the matters we had discussed in last class, and we had discussed another point in that INC, one of the new group emerged in the beginning stage, that is moderates. So what was the method they used, how they started freedom struggle on that time, and what was the contribution they are given. So these are the matters we had discussed in last video. So in this video we are discussing next another group in INC. So in the beginning stage we had discussed one of the new group came, that is moderates. So what was the method they used, we are discussed. So next one here came, that is radicals. So we already discussed moderates, they used non-violence method. So when they use non-violence method, some of the members of INC, they oppose the method, they oppose the policy, or they criticize the method. Because of this is our nation, why we want to struggle against British government as a non-violence method? Because this one is our country. This is our country. Why we want to do this like of struggle? We want to use violence method. So that's why some of the groups, some of the members of INC, they started oppose the method or ideology of moderates, and they given title for moderates also, that is political beggars. So why they called for moderates for political as a political beggars? Who are called, already told, radicals, they called as a political beggars to moderates. So why they called that like? Because of they believed that about British government policy. But this is our government, we want to establish our own policy. So that one we want to believe. Why we want to believe against any other government? Or we are begging, we are only giving request letters. If you are not doing or doing, we don't know. But simply we are believing the judicial system of British and administrative system of British, and only we are giving request letters. So that much only. Means we are a beggars. Means moderates are a political beggars. So that like they started to call by radicals. And now we are understood that means who are radicals. Radicals means who are they criticized or who are they opposed the policy of moderates, the group of Congress. So for them only we are given name as a radicals. Radicals also members in INC, but the opinion or ideology are different if you are comparing to moderates. They criticize the policy of moderates. So these are the members we are called as a radicals. And we can see some of the important radicals in INC. So here they given one by one name. First one is Arvind Ghosh, Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Nath Tilak. So these are the important radicals leaders we can identify in that period. So next one point here they say, so on that time the radicals, when they emerged as a group of radicals, they started to oppose a British rule. Especially on the time British government implemented by, there are two important acts. One is the 1861 Act, another one 1892 Act. Based on 1861 Act and 1892 Act, the British government, they given some of the powers. So what was the powers they given to Governor General? They given power, they can nominate some of the Indians in political administrative matters, especially in legislative assembly. They given, British government, they given some of the power to governor. What was the power that one? Governor, they can nominate some of the members in legislative assembly. And governor, they have their opinion. Who are there? They favor, government favor, means about the British government favor. For them only, they nominated in legislative assembly. So that's why radicals, they oppose these are the act, 1861 Act and 1892 Act, based on nomination. Because of who are they nominated by legislative assembly, they all are they supported by British government. They did not criticize the policy of British. So that's why radicals, they started to oppose a British rule. So when they started to oppose, in that time one of the incident happened in Indian history, that is Partition of Bengal. So now we want to know what is meant by Partition of Bengal. What was the incident happened on that time? So that only now we want to know. First of all, we want to know reason of Partition of Bengal. Why British government they divided as a region of Bengal? So because the British, they thought that here in the region of Bengal, anti-British segment, means about the anti-British against of activities going on in the place of Bengal. Peoples, they trying to anti-British movements, means we want to do struggle against British government. So that like of incident is going on in the place of Bengal. So they understood, British government, they understood peoples, they have against of British government. They understood British government peoples, or who are the administrative on that time, the group of administrator, they understood. So on that time, one of the important governor general, here they given Lord Curzon, he took some of the decision. He given by the name of region. This is one of the large area. We could not control or we could not administrate this one Bengal. So on that, based on administrative matters, we are dividing Bengal as a two part. But the main reason is, in that Bengal region, peoples in unity, they are doing struggle against British government. But British government, they saying we are dividing Bengal because of the administrative purpose. Because this Bengal is one of the large area, we could not control overall area. So based on administrative purpose, we are dividing this one Bengal. But Indians, they started to oppose this one policy or this one partition of Bengal. Because of British, they did this one partition of Bengal by the name of divide and rule policy and administrative matters. So why they did this? Like, because of Bengals, they doing struggle with a unity. So if based on community, based on religion, if you divided Bengal, they could not do struggle against British government, because they only themselves, they are starting to fight. So that's why based on religion, they started to divide a Bengal. And why the Indians, they started to oppose this one? Because of radicals, they understood why British government, they dividing this one Bengal. Because of by name of religion, not a administrative purpose. By name of religion, if you are divided, we can destroy the unity of or nationalism of in the region of Bengal. Because of in east side, East Bengal, in most of the peoples, they are Muslim. In West Bengal, in most of the peoples are Hindus. So radicals, they understood because of why they British, they doing this like of struggle, because of why they doing this like of practice partition of Bengal, because of we want to create disunity among the religions, especially Hindus and Muslims. So this is one of the important incident. When this one incident happened, moderates, they failed to solve this one problems. On the time only, some of the peoples, they organize and they only become as a radicals in INC. And next one, they say in 1905, British, they given declaration, the partition of Bengal. They given by the name of administrative system, but they implemented this one policy based on divide and rule policy. By the based on community or based on religion, they divided Bengal as a two part, East Bengal and West Bengal. And next one here, they say when this one 1905, when the British government, they divided by partition of Bengal, when they divided by Bengal, so on that time INC seriously they opposed, especially radicals leaders. They started to oppose. These are the movements, because of we can see there are two types of religion in that place, in that Bengal region. One is Hindu, second one is Islam or Muslim. But both also they using language to communicate, that is Bengal. They are different religion, but to speak, to communication for, they used only one language in both part peoples, both region peoples, that is Bengal. So that's why INC and radicals, both also, they seriously, actively, they started to oppose a partition of Bengal. And they conducted some of the cultural activities to get a unity between Hindus and Muslim, and they started one of the important practice, that is Rakhi Bandhan. So here they given that only Raksha Bandhan. They started one of the new process, new culture tradition, that is Raksha Bandhan. Because of we all are one. We are developed brotherhoods. So on that based, they started by one of the important practice, that is Raksha Bandhan. And these like radicals, they started to develop unity between Hindus and Muslims. And when these like of news spread in overall India, so British government, they did partition of Bengal because of to divide based on religion. By these are the matters, means based on religion, we want to divide a Bengal. So when they took decision, so this news spread overall a country. So when this news spread in overall India, the radicals, they started boycotting foreign goods. So we should not use a foreign goods. We want to use our native goods. So when they started these like of movements, people they actively involved and just given support to radicals. So when these like of seriously in overall country they opposed the divided or partition of Bengal, the British government they withdraw the partition of Bengal in the year of 1911. So these like Indians they got first time achievement against British government. So after that, in that time only Tilak, he also one of the important leader. He also took one of the important role in to withdraw of partition of Bengal. He given one of the important statement, that is here they given, my Swaraj is my birthright. This is our country. I shall have it. This country we can hold it. So that like they can statement. After that they given complete freedom. The main aim of radicals, that is we want to get complete freedom. So on that base they implemented, there are different types of practice. There are different types of celebration they conducted in the region of India. So especially here they saying, the celebration of Ganesha, Shivaji, Durga celebration. So these are the celebration they conducted by Tilak because of to get unity between Hindus and Muslims. And on that time only in the year of 1906, one of the new league established by Muslim community, that is Islam League or Muslim League, because of to get Islam identity or Muslim identity. So in that purpose in 1906, Muslim groups they established by one of the new institution, that is Muslim League. So after that another point here they say, in that time Tilak published it by two important newspaper. One is Kesari, second one is Maratha. Kesari in English, Kesari in Marathi language, Maratha in English language. So these like two newspapers published by Tilak. And next one here they saying, and always Tilak is written in that newspapers in against of British government. So when they written this like of British against of matters are about the issues, so British government they attack the Tilak and they given in prison. So when they kept in the prison, so on that time Tilak written one of the new book, that is Gita Bhaksha. So this is also one of the important book. In the future level, who are the peoples they came, they want to do struggle against British government. So this is also one of the influence factor. So that book written by Tilak. So these are the important points about radicals and partition of Bengal, and how Tilak he took leadership in the period of partition of Bengal. He gave a statement and he started some of the celebrations and newspapers. After that, one of the important book, that is Gita Bhaksha. So these are the important points about radicals and partition of Bengal. So after that we want to know next one point here they given, that is revolutionaries. So revolutionaries also one of the important part. They also took leadership and they started against of rule of British government. They also supported freedom struggle. And they implemented there are different types of violence method. They started to kill British officers and they started to loot British wealth. So these like of methods they used by revolutionaries to get a freedom, and we want to get freedom because of this is our nation. So on that purpose we can see some of the revolutionaries they also took leadership and they started struggle. So here they saying what was the methods they used? They collecting weapons and money to arm struggle against of British government. So these are the methods they use. One is collecting wealth, second one is arms or money. They want to collect a money for to get a arms. So in that methods they used by struggle against British government. And here we can see some of the secret organization also they started. They are established. So we can see one by one. First one is Lotus and Dagger in the place of England they established it. And peoples of Aravindo Ghosh who are the England they supported for this one organization, means this one Lotus and Dagger organization. After that we can see some other secret organizations we can see against of British government. Here they given Ghadar Party in USA, and next one here they given Abhinav Bharat and Anushilana Samiti. So these are the important secret organizations established by revolutionaries to do struggle against British government. One is Lotus and Dagger, so Ghadar Party. Next one here they given Abhinav Bharata. After that here they given Anushilan Samiti. So these are the important organization they started. And when they started this like of activities by revolutionaries, some of the illegal activities against the British government, They want to get a freedom. So on that purpose, they started to loot or they started to kill the British officers. So on that time, British, they tried, we want to decline or we want to stop these are the activities. So in that purpose, they did some of the cunning ways, or there are different types of wrong ways. So on that based, they capture the peoples and they given punishment as a hanging. Commonly, who are revolutionaries, for them, the British government, they given punishment as a hanging. So we can see some of the important revolutionaries on that time. So here they given one by one name. First one is Arvind Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Ashwin Kumar Dutt. Next one, Raja Narayana Bose, Sitaram Rajguru. Next one here they given Chapkar brothers, Vishnu Shastri. Next one here given Shamji Krishna Verma, Raj Bihari Bose, Madam Kama, Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil. After that here given Afzal Khan. After that here they given Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jatindra Das. So these are the important revolutionaries. They took leadership and they implemented. These are the revolutionary method, means violence method against British government, and they lost their life for a nation. So when they lost or when they did this type of struggle, some other peoples, they heard the news. Some of the youth peoples, young peoples, they did struggle against British government and they lost their life because of our nation. So when they heard these are the news, they also peoples also they influenced by these are revolutionary activities. The young peoples, they are only trying to get a freedom. Why we are not involving this one matters? So we also should involve in these are the matters in the against of British government, and they also started struggle against British government. So these like revolutionaries also, they are influenced by Indians to get a nationalism and to do struggle against British government. And next one here they saying, so these like we can see these quickly they came. They have one dream, that is we want to get a freedom. That also within a day or within a time. But they did not get success because of that much of arm or that much of weapons we cannot see with of Indians revolutionaries. So these are the problems. So they are failed, and some of the Indians also they give support to British. So these are the factors in revolutionaries, they failed. If Indians they given support to revolutionaries, we can get on the time only we can get a freedom. But Indians, some of the Indians they did not given support. And here we can see some of the radicals also, they also converted as the revolutionaries. So one of the important person that in Arvind Ghosh, he is one of the radicals. But when the revolutionaries they came, on that time he given support to revolutionaries, and he also become as a revolutionaries. So these like in the beginning step after the 1857, we can see in the beginning step of 1885, people they get unity and they started to struggle against British government based on INC. INC we can say there are two groups, one is moderates and radicals. After that another group also emerged in India to do a struggle against British government, that is revolutionaries. When this like of incident happened in India, so when the news heard by Indian peoples, so after that next step we can see there are peoples together, they actively involved in a freedom struggle, and so many of leaders they emerged based on English education and based on social reformation, based on there are so many of leaders they emerged, and they took leadership and they give an awareness to Indian peoples. Why we want to do a struggle? Why British government they want to go to their country, or why we want to rule for our country? They get the awareness. After that we get a success. Before that these are the peoples they are given contribution. Without a single man we cannot get independence. We all are knowing. So on that base, these also important matters. These also important factors. Not only one person they did not given independent. We can see moderates, radicals, and revolutionaries. They also given some of the contribution to get a freedom or independence of India. So these are the important points. Next class we can discuss about next one another important topic. Okay. Thank you.